You are sitting there with a bowl of popcorn and the perfect movie picked out. But instead of relaxing, you are fighting with a blurry rectangle on your wall. That is the frustrating reality of choosing the wrong piece of gear for your home setup. We are looking at two very similar portable projectors today that offer the same basic promise but deliver wildly different experiences. The standard edition is a budget-friendly way to get a big screen in your house, but it comes with a catch that might test your patience. It is dim. There is no other way to put it. If you want a clear picture, you need to turn your living room into a total blackout zone. Even a tiny bit of light from a hallway or a lamp will make the colors look faint and ghostly. It works well if you are committed to the dark, but it lacks the punch you really want for a modern viewing experience. It feels like a budget choice because it forces you to adapt to it. You are the one who has to close every curtain and kill every light source just to see what is happening on screen. Then you look at the professional edition. It is not going to rival a high-end cinema hall, but it has that extra boost of brightness that makes it actually usable in a normal room. You can have a small lamp on and still see the details in the shadows. That small jump in power changes how you use the device every single day. It makes the whole thing feel less like a delicate experiment and more like a real television replacement. But the real magic is not just the light. It is the brain inside the machine. The base model requires you to be the technician. You have to manually twist the lens and dive into the menus to fix the trapezoid shape of the screen. It is a constant game of nudging and tweaking until it looks right. The premium version just does it for you. It uses sensors to snap everything into focus and square up the corners in seconds. You set it down on a coffee table, and it just behaves. It feels like a luxury you did not know you needed until you actually have it. Suddenly, moving the projector to another room isn't a chore. It is just a quick move and a few seconds of waiting while the software does the hard work. The sound follows a similar path of improvement. On the cheaper unit, the audio is a bit thin and sharp. It gets the job done for a casual video, but it lacks any real depth or warmth. The professional model sounds much more balanced. It feels more substantial and fills the space without sounding like a tiny speaker struggling to keep up. Both units use the same smart TV platform, so you get all your favorite streaming apps and a smooth interface. They are both great for a casual night of browsing through videos or catching up on a series. However, the professional model is the one that actually feels nice to live with over the long term. It removes the friction that usually makes people stop using their gadgets after a few weeks. The standard version is a great tool for a specific task, like a camping trip or a very occasional movie night. But if you want something that integrates into your life without causing a headache, the upgrade is worth it. You are paying to save your time. You are paying for the privilege of just sitting down and enjoying the show without having to play engineer first. It turns the whole experience from a bit of a project into a genuine pleasure that you will actually want to use every single night.